So today we are seeing 2's complement of the given number. Okay, what is 2's complement? Why do we use it? Actually, we have already seen the 1's complement of the number. 2's complement method or complement method is basically used in sign magnitude representation of the numbers, or basically when we deal with the negative numbers, because we have to implement this using logic circuits, and for a computing device to understand this it becomes easier. Now it is basically 2's complement method is used in mathematical operations on binary numbers, followed, as well as in computing. Now let us see the binary addition. Binary addition generally yields what? Sum and carry. So when you add 0 plus 0, you get the sum and carry as 0. When you add 0 plus 1 or 1 plus 0, sum is equal to 1 and carry is equal to 0. But when you add 1 plus 1, it doesn't become 2 or it is not 1. Sum is equal to 0, but carry, there is a carry bit generated, that is equal to 1. That carry is an extra bit. Now, so look at the one of the examples shown on addition of two numbers, that is 1101 0010. Followed, that is addition of 13 plus 2. Now start adding, always we start adding from the rightmost bit, or here it is the LSB. So 1 plus 0 becomes 1, then 0 plus 1 will become 1, 1 plus 0 becomes 1, 1 plus 0 is again 1. So we are getting 13 plus 2 as 15. Now how to find 2's complement of any given number? Suppose it is 4 bit, n bit, any number of bit. So you generally carry out, first the procedure is to find 1's complement, which we have seen earlier. Just simply negate the given number, any bit number, and here the step is to add one extra bit. But where to add the extra bit? To the LSB position, that is the rightmost bit. Now, so there is one example shown, 10110. What will be the 2's complement? First find the 1's complement. First step is find the 1's complement. 1's complement will be 10010. Add 1 to the LSB bit. So, so what you get? 1's complement 10010. Add 1 to the LSB. 1 plus 1 becomes 0. There is carry 1. So it will become 0 1. Next bit is 0 1 0. So what we obtain? 0 1 0 1 0. This is how you find 2's complement of the given number. Now there are some examples shown with the analysis that how to comment on the result when we carry out subtraction using 2's complement of the number. Basically complement means what? We are in complement method, let it be 1's complement, 2's complement. You basically add the numbers, let it be, you have to carry out the subtraction, but you obtain the subtraction by alternative addition method. Followed? That means, suppose, see, when you subtract, you can subtract either the greater number from the smaller, or you can subtract the smaller number from the greater. Either ways, only there is change in what? The sign. That is, the signed number is the result of subtraction, whether A is greater than B or B is greater than A, right? This is what is the difference which generally occurs, and that implementation is carried out by using this 2's complement, which makes it easy for understanding and calculation instead of taking borrow when it is a subtraction of higher number minus lower number. Remember that. Or vice versa. So then there is an example shown, look here, that is greater number minus smaller number. It is binary 10101, that is decimal 21, minus 10100, that is 5. So 21 minus 5, so decimal, we should get what? 16. So but then what is the question method? What you are doing here? You are using 2's complement to carry out this subtraction. So what is the procedure? Always we take the 2's complement of the second number. What is the second number here? 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. So finding 2's complement, what is the procedure? First find the 1's complement. 1's complement will be what? 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. But 2's complement will be add 1 to the LSB or the rightmost bit. So add LSB means what it will become? Your number is what? Your number is 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. So add 1. So what you will get? 0 plus 1, LSB will become 1. Next bit will be 1. Okay, there is nothing down, so it will become 1. Then third bit will be what? It is already 0. Then it will become 0 and 1, 1. This is the 2's complement of the second number. Then whatever 2's complement you have obtained now, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. What to do with this? You should directly add with the first number. So what is your first number? Your number is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Add 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 with what? 1, 1, 0, 1. So what you get? 1 plus 1, start adding from the LSB, that is the rightmost bit. 1, 1 will become 0, 1, carry 1. So carry 1, so it will become 1 plus 0 plus 1. So 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is again 0. There will be carry over on the third position. So again it will become 1 plus 0 plus 1, it will become 0 again. Again one more carry in the fourth position, followed. So 1 plus 0 plus 1, again there will be 0, but there will be carry in the fifth position. So it will become what? 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 3 ones are there, but then when there are addition of 3 ones, so what is the output? Sum also is 1, carry is also 1. So what we are generating here? 0, 0, 0, 1, and there is a carry generated. So whenever there is a carry generated, that means carry is 1. It means it is a positive number generated. Discard the carry and take the result directly. And what is 21 minus 21? What is the 21 minus 5? It will become 16. So this 1, 0, 0, 0, you can check its equivalent number. It is equal to 16. So remember, whenever you using 2's complement, you subtract greater minus smaller. Whatever output it will generate a carry, because carry means it is a positive number. Discard the carry, take the result as it is. It will give you directly the required output. So this is how you carry out what? Carry out 2's complement method of greater number minus smaller. Now there is one next example shown where you are subtracting the smaller number minus the greater number. So what happens in this case means it is what? Generally the output is going to be a negative number. So whenever there is a negative number, generally there is no carry bit generated, or carry bit is always 0. So in this case, again what to do? In this case also, again first our procedure or solution is what? To find 2's complement of the second number. So what is our second number here? So the first number is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 is equivalent to decimal 25, and this 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, the second number is decimal 28. Okay, so find the 2's complement of 1, 1, 0, 0. What will be the 2's complement? It will be first the 1's complement you will find, that will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, right? Then add what? Add 1 to the LSB to find 2's complement. 1 plus 1 is what? 0, carry 1. So already there is 1, 1 plus 1, again 0. Carry will now be in the third position. There is 0 here. So 1 plus 0 will become 1 and rest will be 0, 0. So what you get after finding 2's complement of the second number, that is 1 1 0 0, you get 0 0 1 0 0. Now what to do with this 2's complement? You have to add with the first number. Okay, add with the first number, that is 1 1 0 0 1 with 0 0 1 0 0. What you'll get? First start from the LSB bit. 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. Is there any carry generated? No, there is no carry generated. So you get the number as what? 1 0 1 1 1 is your result. But we know what are the numbers here. 25 minus 28 means what? It should give you what? Minus 3. So remember, when there is a no carry generated, what is the comment, what is the remark you have to make? That the answer itself is a negative number. Automatically it turns out to be negative. The previous there was a carry, that is a positive number. Here there is no carry, it is a negative number. But what about the result? Is it 28 3? No, it's not 3. Then what to do? So in this case, always when condition is such that we subtract the greater number from the smaller, output is in 2's complement form. It is said it is not in true form. So what we should do? We should again take the 2's complement of the result. Already it is a negative number, it is understood because no carry bit. It is then take the 2's complement of what? The result. So which whose 2's complement? 1 1 1 0 1. So first find the 1's complement. To find 2's complement, so what it will become? 0 0 0 1 0, right? 0 0 1 0, 1's complement. Add 1 to the LSB to find 2's complement. So add, so 0 plus 1 will become 1. Next bit is already 1, so it will remain as it is 1, and rest will be 0 0 0. So this is our answer, that is 3 minus 3 we are getting. Followed? This is how you find what? 2's complement of smaller number minus greater number. So in the next, now in this slide, again we are seeing some addition being performed on the sign magnitude number. Okay, using 2's complement form. So the first for some 5-bit numbers. So now 5-bit number is taken, means it is represented in 5-bit. You can represent the number in 8-bit, 16-bit, same number, 8, 4 or any other number let it be. Now what is done here? Look here, in the first case, simply we have taken 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 we have taken and simple addition we have carried out. Okay, simple addition we have carried out in this. Now when we are carrying out simple addition, 0 plus 0 will be 0, 0 plus 0 will be 0, but 0 plus 1 becomes 1 and 1 plus 0 becomes 1 and 0 plus 0 becomes 0. So this is equivalent to what? Binary equivalent of this is equal to 12. So 8 plus 4 is 12. Then take the second example. What is shown in the second example? Minus 8 minus 4. Okay. Minus 8 minus 4, but minus 8 is represented in sign magnitude form. What is 8? Actually equivalent binary is 1 0 0 0 in 4-bit, but we have taken here 5-bit, 5th bit, actually it should be 0, but we have seen in sign magnitude form in 1's complement lecture. So whenever we represent any negative number, we represent it by 1 in the MSB bit. So hence the 8 is represented as, that is not actual 8, it is minus 8, not plus 8, it is minus 8. So it is written as 1 1 0 0 0. Then the next number is minus 4, means 8 minus 8 minus 4 should give us what? Minus 12, which means that there should be no carry bit when we will be carrying out by 2's complement method the subtraction. Followed, which is alternative addition method. We will take the 2's complement of the next number, and whatever number will yield, minus 8 minus 4 should give us what? Actually minus 12. Minus 12, how it will be indicated? It will be indicated by no carry. When there is no carry, means it is a negative number. Followed? And whatever result we are going to get, we saw in the previous example, it is actually not in true form, it is in 2's complement form. We have to yield the original number 12 by taking the 2's complement of the result. So let us see how it is done. So now look here, first minus 8 is represented in sign magnitude form as 1 1 0 0 0, but next number is minus 4. So minus 4, what you're going to do, you don't have to take in sign magnitude form, directly you're going to take what you saw when you will be carrying out subtraction by 2's complement. You have to, or addition by 2's complement, you have to take the 2's complement of the second number. What is your original number? 4 0 0 1 0 0. Take the first, what is the procedure for 2's complement? Find 1's complement. So 0 0 1 0 0 becomes what? 1 1 0 1 1. Then add 1 to the LSB. So 1 plus 1 will be 0, carry will be 1. Again 1 plus 1 will be 0, carry will be 1. So what will be your number? So what you will get? The number in 2's complement form as 1 1 0 0. Right? Now simply add 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 will be 0, but 0 plus 1 will be 1. 1 plus 1 becomes 0. Here 1 plus 1 is 1 and there is a carry 1. Followed? So then the number becomes minus 12. So this is actually what we are doing here. Then there is, you will say there is one carry generated, but when we say it is a negative number, there is no carry. But go through the problem. The problem is not the direct addition of the binary number. We have taken sign magnitude, means we have already transformed the number into a positive form, so that carry is discarded. Remember that. And what we are getting the result as 0 0 1 0 1. It is not in true form. It is not binary 12. So what we have to do, again take the 2's complement of 1 0 1 0 0. So what will be the 2's complement? For 2's complement, first we have to find out 1's complement. What will be 1's complement of 1 1 0 1 0 0? It will be 0 1 0 1 1. Add 1 to the LSB. Add 1 to the LSB, 1 plus 1 0. Then again carry will be to the next bit, 1 plus 1 0. So we are getting the number as 1 0 1 1 0 0. That is binary 12. So this is how you find the by 2's complement method. But remember one trick in this problem. Why then the carry, as we are continuously saying, if there is a carry bit generated, carry bit is 0, then we'll comment that this is a negative number. But here there is carry generated, still why we are commenting that this is a negative number. The reason is we have not taken the number 8 directly, we have represented in sign magnitude form. So this you will remember, okay? This way you should analyze any problem. Now take the third case. In the third case, we are carrying out greater minus smaller, that is 8 minus 4. So here no need of, it's not a negative, 8 is not a negative number. Whatever you are going to do in 1's complement or 2's complement, always we are going to find a complement of the second number. That is our second number is what? 4. So 4's 2's complement we have already seen in the second problem. It will be equal to 1 1 1 0 0. Then add directly to 8. So it will become 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, and 1 plus 1 is 0 1, and 1 plus 1 is 0 1. So 1 plus 1 again 0, carry is 1. So carry is 1 means it is a positive number. Discard the carry. Whatever you are getting, it is a result you are getting, it is in true form. Previous the result was in 2's complement form, a negative number, but here it is a whatever carry we are getting means it is a positive number, and it is true form not to take the 2's complement of the result. This is how you solve problems and go on clearing your doubts. Understand, listen carefully, do it in your book. As I am going on repeating the step, you go on solving in your book so that it becomes more easy. Now there is one note represented by as overflow note. What is this overflow? Overflow means whatever extra bit we call, that overflow bit, that is the extra bit, most significant bit, that helps us to find out whether it is a negative number, positive number, so that read the note what it is mentioned. So overflow bit, how to, because always there we know that when we carry out multiplication, whatever extra bit generated, that is called as overflow bit. So that is considered, okay. So overflow bit is reflected by the processor by flag register. So just I am giving this, it's not just for information I am telling you. You will be studying in the next year, you will be learning in detail, or in the next semester also you have about it. We are going to see that. Now addition and subtraction, again some examples I have shown, some practice examples also I have given here, and I have shown you some 2 practice examples I have given here for practice. So in this practice example, I didn't mention the binary equivalent of the number. Followed? So this question comes for either 3 marks or 4 marks. So I gave directly the this, what do you call, the decimal numbers. You have to convert. First step in the solution will be convert into binary, this each decimal number, and then follow up your step to find the addition, subtraction of greater minus smaller or smaller minus greater by 2's complement method. Followed? So step by step, at least you should get 4 to 5 proper step. Each step, it should not be a rough work. It should be a proper step mentioned to get the full marks. Followed? And these are compulsory questions. Now, so here, so one case, first case shown here is what? First case shown is directly we are adding the number 1011, okay, and we are adding the next number as 0101. Followed? So then what is done here? Look at this. So first find out, we are carrying out this what do you call, the first subtraction of the given number. So how we'll do? Again start from the LSB. So start from the LSB. So then when you start from the LSB, so first what are the LSB bits? So what you do? The first step procedure is what? Now then second number is 5 here. Okay, second number is 5. So when the second number is 5, what you are supposed to do here? You are supposed to find the 2's complement of the second number in this question is what? To find, this is solve this examples using 2's complement of the number. Okay. Now then to find 2's complement, first we have to find 2's complement of number 5. Okay. Number 5, then what we have seen in the previous example, what it will be actually 101010. But then what to do? Add 1 to the LSB bit. So add 1 to the LSB bit. So what you get, the 2's complement, what you obtain? 0 plus 1 will be 1. Then next number is 1. Then next number is 0, 1, right? This is your 2's complement of the number 5. Clear? Now then what to do? Add the number 1 plus 1 becomes 0, 1, carry will be 1. So now carry is 1. So next position, what all, how many bits you have? 3 bit, 3 ones, 1 plus 1 plus 1. So it becomes what? 1, 1. Sum will be 1 and even carry will be 1 when it is a 3 bit addition of number ones. So that will go to the next position. So it will become what? 1 plus 0 will become 1. But then again there is in the fourth position, there is again 1 plus 1. So it will become 0 where there will be carry 1. Now that carry is shown in the second line itself, actually it should come in the third, or you can show in the this second itself there is a carry generated. But now what, this is a positive number. We already what we saw in the, what we commented in the previous problems of the 2's complement. So whenever there is a carry generated means it is a positive number, and what we should do then, we discard the carry. And what is the result? 0 1 1 0, right? So 11 minus 5 is equal to what? 6. So whatever result now, it is what? This is binary equivalent of 6. So you can check it. So this is how we find. There is one more, I am giving you again 5th, 6th example so that you understand it more clearly. Now next number is shown where what you are doing, look at the number. What is the binary number shown? 0 1 0 0, that is what? 4, decimal 4. And what is the next number shown? 0 1 1 1, that is 7. So 4 minus 7 is equal to 3. So now what we saw in the previous example or previous slide, whenever there is a number smaller minus greater, so we don't get the carry. That indicates that it is a negative number. And what we comment on the result we comment that whatever result, it is not in true form as the previous example. Means we do not get the direct answer whatever we expect. Now in this case we expect 4 minus 7 as 3. So we are not getting the direct answer. We are getting in 2's complement form, which is not in true form. How to bring it in true form? We should again take the 2's complement. Already it will be indicated by not getting the carry, it is a negative number, but answer is also not in true form, that is, it is in 2's complement form. Again we have to take the 2's complement of the given number. So now, so find the first, the 2's complement of 7, that is 0 1 1 1. So for 2's complement, first we have to find 1's complement. What it will be? 1 0 0 0. Add 1 to the LSB. What will be the 2's complement of 7? 1 0 0 1. Add it to the first number, that is 0 1 0 0, that is 4. What will get? First the LSB, 0 plus 1 becomes 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. So we are getting 1 1 0 1, but this is not 3. So then what we should do? Again take the 2's complement of 1 1 0 1. What will be the 2's complement? 0 0 1 0. 0 0 1 0 is the 1's complement. Add 1 to the LSB. What will be? What we are getting? 0 0 1 0. Add 1 to the LSB. That is 0 plus 1 will become 0. Next is 1. 1 plus anything is 1. And last 2 bit is 1. So we are getting 0 0 1 1. And as there is no carry generated, it is a minus 3. So this is how you find out what? You find 2's addition or subtraction, or greater minus smaller, or smaller minus greater number value by which method? 2's complement. So first thing what you should remember, it should strike you whenever you will solve, always we take the 2's complement of the second number. And very important, how to comment on the result so that even we don't get confused. First is the carry bit is generated, means definitely it is a positive number, greater minus smaller, and the result is directly what we expect. It is in true form. This is how you comment. You have to comment, you have to write a note. Okay, whenever you will solve by 2's complement method, as we have seen even in 1's complement. And one more type of problem, when the number is smaller or we are subtracting a greater number from smaller number, what we should do? Again take the 2's complement of the second number. If there will be no carry generated, which means automatically it is a negative number, but whatever result will get, it will not be the direct answer, means it will not be in true's form. What we have to do to bring it into true form? We have to take again the 2's complement of the result. That will definitely yield you what? The given answer what you expect. And next is what? Example is given, to practice example is given. You have to solve this 2 example in your book with proper steps which are already mentioned. Clear?